Hi guys, my name is Randall, and in this video I will be demonstrating the functionality of this innovative UI concept for mobile applications of financial institutions. This is a personal project I created, and this is a very innovative design. It is very consistent, it is very intuitive. It does not even need instructions to guide the user through the process of submitting an order. The journey of submitting an order happens always in one screen. The journey is a linear flow user experience, which means that the user always begins at the top and finishes at the bottom. It is a single facet user interface, meaning that the user does not have to progress to multiple interfaces to submit his orders. Okay, to begin this demonstration, the first transaction I will make is a deposit transaction. And to make a deposit, the user simply needs to select the deposit option, the desired account, and capture the front and rear part of the check. The user can scan multiple checks, and the combined amount of all checks will be displayed right here. If there is any fee, the fees will be displayed right here at the top. To submit an order, the user simply press the submit button, confirm his order, and that's it. That's all the user have to do to make a deposit. The next transaction in this demonstration is going to be a withdrawal transaction, and to make a withdrawal, we select the withdraw option, we select the desired account, we specify the desired amount, $450, and we submit the order, confirm the order, and now all we have to do is scan the QR code in the desired ATM machine. Or we can also pair the mobile device with the ATM machine. This is a much more convenient approach and more secure approach than require the user to enter a one-time PIN. Or this approach does not require the user to even touch the machine at all. And this is a cardless experience and also a touchless experience. Okay, the next transaction, the third transaction in this demonstration, is going to be a transfer transaction. And to make a transfer, we simply select the transfer option, we specify the account from which we will be sending funds and the account that will be receiving the funds. Let's select savings, and we specify the amount for the transaction. Let's say that we will be transferring $4,500. We submit the order, we confirm the order, and that's how we can seamlessly make transfers. The fourth transaction in this demonstration will be a send request money to friends and family transaction. So to do that, we come here, we select the quick pay option, and here we specify the amount that we want to send to each particular friend. We can send funds to one or more friends simultaneously. For example, we can send $300 to this friend, we can send $200 for this other friend, we can send $100 to this other friend, and we can send $30 to this other friend. This is the combined amount of all the amounts I specified here at the top. And to submit the order, this could be a send transaction or a request transaction. And for this demonstration, let's do a send transaction. Now we select the payment option. We can select multiple payment options if we desire to split this amount among multiple payment options. For example, I can select this payment option and also this payment option. But for this demonstration, let's do just one. We do one. We confirm the order, and that's how we send funds to multiple friends at once in just one transaction. The next transaction is going to be another transfer transaction. This transfer transaction is for those users who are power users, who are always transferring funds between accounts, those users who need to transfer funds from multiple accounts to one account and from one account to multiple accounts. This transfer option is for those users. So let's see. So to make those type of advanced transfers, we come here, we select the transfer option. We specify the amount for each transfer. For example, we specify that we will be sending $300 from this account. We will be sending $900 from this account, and we will be sending $1,000 from this account. And these funds, I want them to be transferred to this particular account. So the total amount, the combined amount, is going to be $10,300. So to submit the order, we simply submit, confirm the order, and that's how we make transfer from multiple accounts to one account. We can do vice versa. We can do from one account to multiple accounts also. Okay, so the next transaction in this demonstration is going to be a pay bill transaction, and to do that, we come here and we select the pay bill option. These are the bills available to pay, and to pay the bills, I can select more than one bill at a time. I can pay multiple bills at a time simultaneously. For example, I can select this particular bill, this other bill, this bill, and also this bill. And this is the combined amount of all bills I have selected. And to submit the order, I simply submit the order, confirm the payment option. I can select multiple payment options if I want to split this amount among multiple payment options. For example, I can select this option and also this option, and I confirm the order after selecting the payment options. And that's how you can pay multiple bills at once. The next transaction in this demonstration is going to be a pay credit card transaction, and to do that, we come here, we select the pay credit card option, and here we have all the credit cards available to pay. We can pay more than one card at once. For example, we can pay this card, we can pay $300 to this card, we can pay $500 to this other card, and we can pay $100 to this other card. And this card, we won't submit a payment. What we will do is we will lock it, and this is the total amount of the combined amount of amounts specified here at the top. And to submit the order, we simply submit the order, select a payment option. We can select multiple payment options if we want to split the cost among multiple payment options. For example, let's say that these two will handle this payment, so we confirm the order, and that's how we pay credit cards. Okay, so the last transaction in this demonstration is going to be a buy and sell asset transaction, and to do that, we come here, we select the trade option here at the bottom, and this we are presented with all the assets available. These are assets I already own, and this is the total amount of assets. And to buy assets, I can simply specify the amount I want to buy or sell for each asset. For example, let's say that I want to buy $4,000 of this particular asset. I want to buy $3,000 of this other asset. I want to buy $5,000 of this other asset. I also want to buy $3,000 of this other asset, and I want to buy $7,000 of this other asset. So this is the combined amount of all amounts I have specified here at the top. I can make this a buy transaction or a sell transaction. Let's say this is a buy transaction, so we select the buy option. We specify the payment options. Here I can select multiple payment options. If I want to split this amount among multiple payment options, I can select multiple. For example, let's select this one and also this one. Now let's confirm the order, and that's how I can buy multiple assets at once. Okay guys, let's not make this video longer. Let's call it here. This design that I just have demonstrated is one of the designs in my project Ultimate Machine UI. Ultimate Machine UI is a collection of user interfaces, of minimalist user interfaces for the transportation, financial, and oil and gas industry. Feel free to check all the other designs, and thank you for watching this video until the end.